I think my lash got into my eye. Today's video is sponsored by Beyond Beauty, who sent me their spring twist 8-inch in the color T1B30, and I'm pretty excited to install these bad boys. I am actually moisturizing my hair with my African shea butter, just raw shea butter that I'm using. I just tend to find that this is a lot more slicker and just keeps my hair more moisturized when I use that. And I'm also going to use my Jamaican mango and lime locking firm wax, ooh, that was a tongue twister, to basically grip the root of when I actually twist my hair. And I'm actually going to be using the rubber band method to install these twists along with my crochet needle. For the hair, I'm actually just using one piece of the spring twist for each of my twists. Typically, I find people splitting their hair 3 or maybe 2 or 3 times and then installing each smaller piece. But like I stated, I was actually having a lot of trouble separating this hair with my first pack. I don't know if it was a bad pack or what the case may be, but I just couldn't deal with it anymore. So I'm just going to go ahead and fluff out this piece of hair and just use this whole piece for one of my twists. Now you can go ahead and just take that crochet needle, place it underneath the rubber band, take the hair, slide it underneath, just pulling one side over, and just begin by twisting on down. Sorry, I had to take a little break because these were taking me a very long time to install. And of course, little baby was hungry, so of course I had to feed my little growing baby some juice. The only real significance when it comes to these twists that you want to make sure that you're doing is twist counterclockwise. Now, typically I would twist going to the right, so basically taking my left hand, twisting over the right. But with this hair, you want to follow the curl pattern to get this exact twist. So you actually twist right over left, so counterclockwise. So I would take my right hand and right piece of hair and twist it over my left hand, left piece of hair. So making sure I'm twisting counterclockwise. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn a little button on for notifications, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.